Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode of UpsideNews. Today we are going to discuss topics like what's happening with the new PS5 release, what features are the developers of Pokemon Go adding to their game so that they can still allow players to play in nowadays, where did all Nintendo Switches disappear, and also I'll give you a small tip about how you can get 100% achievements inside the new Half Life Alyx. First, I would like to start with Half Life Alyx and give you some tips how you can get 100% of the achievements. The game offers 41 achievements that you can get by just reaching certain key points in the game, completing routine tasks, or by pulling off something special. To give you some tips and tricks if you are guys struggling with all the achievements, I will leave down in the description comments and more information about all the 41 achievements. Now let's jump to the news with Nintendo Switch. Apparently at the moment there is a very high demand for Nintendo Switch, and because of the whole virus situation around the world, there has been a shortage in the supplies of it. People are saying that they're starting to see that the price for Switch is going up in some retails. There is no clear understanding where the new consoles are gonna come back. Typically you can buy Nintendo Switch at the price of $300 or the Switch Lite for about $200. At the moment I saw some copies for the Nintendo Switch which go all the way to $440 and for $230, $250, even $300 for the Lite version. At the moment it's not clear when the new supplies are gonna be coming, so I strongly recommend you to stick to some other games, movies or TV shows. For the next news, I want to tell you a little bit how some developers are adapting to the situation at the moment and what kind of features they are starting to implement into their games so that they are still competitive on the market. And hopefully it will help you for your future projects when you're developing your own game, to have in mind that there can always be some unknown circumstances or something that happens and you need to react. So the developers at the moment are offering bundles which allow you to remove the requirement for walking distance. Previously you were always required to go physically to the gym or go to the battle, but now using those bundles you can do this freely without the need of any social interaction. I can say that this is definitely an interesting way of monetizing the current situation. And now let's jump on what's happening with the PS5. In a recent interview, Sony were asked if we are expecting to see any delays into the release of PS5. They are saying that their teams are doing their best and most likely we won't have any delays. However, they're mentioning that some of the games which are planned to come with the console might have delays because of the studios being partially closed or being pushed to work from home. I really hope that everything that's happening right now won't impact that much the development of some of the games, as I'm looking really forward playing the new Last of Us and also Ghost of Tsushima, which is about to be released in June. And the last thing that I want to talk about is about Red Dead Redemption and something that all of you can get as a bonus. At the moment until 6th of April, inside Red Dead Redemption 2 online mode, you can go and get a free ability card. To do this, it's really simple. You just need to go into the ability section of the pause menu, and that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode of UpsideNews. Like this video, leave a comment, and see you next time.